Amazon Textract is an AI service that performs more than optical character recognition on PDFs and images. It analyzes documents and identifies relationships within detected text. To help you ramp up quickly on the ID analysis feature, let me give you a walkthrough of Analyze ID demo provided by Textract. Let's get started. As you can see, Amazon Textract has preloaded a sample driver's license. Panel on the right shows the output of Analyze ID API provided by Textract. You can see that Amazon Textract identified first name as well as last name, simply based on the position of the text on the license. Similarly, it mapped 4A field, which contains date of issue, to an appropriate key. Textract also recognized that the image provided is a front page of a driver's license issued by State of Massachusetts. That's pretty cool. You can also upload any other U.S. government-issued ID and see if Textract is able to detect all fields successfully. Let's check out the output for the sample passport provided as well. Textract has loaded a dummy American passport, and it was able to detect several important fields. First name, last name, document number, date of birth, the date on which passport was issued, and many other attributes. To recap, Textract accepts a PDF or an image and extracts different details from the ID provided. It also maps attributes based on the location of the text identified. Check out AWS SDK samples to learn how to invoke Analyze ID API via AWS CLI or via code. Congratulations! You just learned how to use Amazon Textract to analyze identity documentation issued by U.S. government. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books linked in pinned comment and suggest us topics for videos.